Hello, thank you for joining me on this session. My name is Suphawut Malaikrisanachalee. I am from the Department of Civil Engineering, Kasetsart University. And today, we're going to be talking about some of the new technology that has been using in highway construction in Thailand. We're going to be talking a little bit about BIM, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things technology, and also how to use drone in highway construction survey. Building information modeling, or BIM, has been widely used in Thailand in the last few years, but mostly on building construction. Only recently that people start using BIM on infrastructure projects. Like in this situation, they use BIM for the U-turn bridge construction for the Department of Highways. And based on the experience, you will achieve a more accurate result for the cost estimation by using BIM. As you can see here, the green one is the result of cost estimation from the manual process, while the red one is the cost estimation from the BIM model. And the difference between the two are the human error that may happen during the manual process of cost estimation. Since BIM is a 3D model, it will improve the communication of the project. People will understand the construction drawing better. You will get less mistake during construction. You can also examine the problem that may happen beforehand, so you can plan accordingly. You can also integrate the construction project schedule with the BIM model. Like in this situation, they integrate the schedule in Microsoft project with BIM through Navisworks. So this way, you're gonna know what is gonna happen and when and where. So you can plan the construction site layout better. You can plan your resource. You can plan your machine more efficiently. Also, the Department of Highway have been using BIM for the quantity survey of standard drawing. This is example of the application. So this way you can get reference bill of quantity or for all the standard drawings, and you get the amount of concrete, formwork, and also all the steel reinforcing that are required. And this way you can eliminate all the human error that may happen during the manual process of cost estimation. Also, you can significantly reduce the amount of time that you have to perform the cost estimation. People in Thailand have started using BIM together with augmented reality model. As you can see in this example, you can extend the 2D drawing with the AR model. So through your mobile application, you can see all the visualization of the plan view, elevation view, all the section view, and all the reinforcement detail. And this is another example of how to use augmented reality model with the BIM. You can put the BIM model on the real world location, like in this example here. You see, the building is not there yet. But if you look through your mobile application, you're gonna see the building is there. You're gonna see the real world, the model that's situated on the real world location. Just like in this example here. You see the building situated on the railroad location. You see people riding a bike there. So this is how we use the AR model with BIM. And this way you can plan your site, construction site layout better and more efficiently, because you're going to see all the environment in real situation. This is another example of the AR model. You see, the building is not there, but if you look through your mobile application, you're going to see the building is there. You see the real world location of the building. This is another example. You can look through this column and see all the steel reinforcing detail in there. Okay, it helps you with the rebar inspection and stuff like that. In terms of operation and maintenance, this technology also helps. Like in this example, If you look at this steel pipe, this is what you're gonna see through your mobile application. So you're gonna see all the pipe information, the size of the pipe, the thickness of the pipe, and all the specification of this pipe. So it helps you during operation and maintenance of the building. Likewise, if I look at this light here, I'm gonna see all the specification of this light, the lifetime service of the light, the maintenance time, and all stuff like that. This is the benefit of integrating the BIM. Well, we have to admit it. The way we are using BIM right now, we just touching the surface of BIM. BIM can offer a lot more potentials. BIM can offer a lot more benefit. For example, I can envision in the near future, I can just go tell computer, I want a house with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 1 kitchen. Could computer just design and draw a BIM model for me automatically? So computer should be able to figure out where are the footing, what are the span between columns, and where are the windows should be, where are the doors should be, and then also perform structural analysis automatically, also perform cost estimation for me automatically. That's something that is possible in the near future, and a lot of research is being done in that direction. So in terms of highway design, of course, if you integrate BIM with drone and GIS, computer should be able to automatically perform geometric design and structural analysis design for the highway in the near future. If you integrate BIM with artificial intelligence, or you can integrate BIM with some optimization solution like genetic algorithm, the computer will make a smarter decision. So it can potentially reduce the cost. It can potentially reduce the time during your design and construction process. In some countries, people integrating BIM with machine guidance system and let the machine guidance system automatically control the construction machine for you. So by doing so, you can get a faster work, you can get a shorter project duration because the machine guidance system doesn't have to stop for lunch. And by doing so, you can eliminate a human error and human intervention that may happen during the construction process. So you will get a better construction quality. You can also put BIM with blockchain. We all know that blockchain is technology around the corner. So we can put BIM on blockchain with smart contract and digital twin. I actually have a few of my students start working on this type of research to see if there are potential and benefit to integrate smart contract with BIM and digital twin. Regarding the AI technology, to be honest with you, it's still quite new for the construction industry in Thailand. We still not really put AI into real application just yet, but people have been doing a lot of research on AI technology in construction. Like in this example, we use AI to automatically detect whether this person is wearing a helmet, a safety vest, a hand protection, a foot protection. A lot of other research is going on, like people using AI to automatically count the amount of workers that are working in the construction site. People use AI to detect whether the foreman is working in the construction site by detecting the color of the helmet. Also, some people have been researched how to use AI to automatically count the amount of rebar in construction. So a lot of research has been going on, but we're still quite a long way to put AI into real application. IoT is one of the latest technology that has been using a lot more in Thailand this day. Like in this example, we use IoT to develop some real-time monitoring and warning system for the landslide. So we actually installed the IoT device at the construction site. Okay, and data is sent automatically through the NB-IoT network to the cloud server. And at the server, we have some analytical module that will perform the data analysis and issue the warning message automatically to the people involved. And these are some of the instruments that we actually install at the construction site. The researcher actually developed their own inclinometer to install in the construction site. Okay, this is the real station that we install. And we actually get the people in the area, the local people in the area, to get involved in the installation to help us to monitor and maintain the system. And this is the site layout that we put all the instrument in the real construction site. The researcher actually used some bioengineering technology like biochar, like erosion control blanket, and some live state to help prevent the landslide at the area. Okay, this is just one of the example of how to use IoT technology in construction. But with the 5G network that is going on in Thailand, I'm sure more people will use IoT technology more and more in construction industry in the near future. The last technology that we're going to be talking about today is drone. The Department of Highway has been using drone a lot these days. They use drone for construction surveying. They use drone for construction inspection and monitoring. Okay, like in this example, the Office of Highway Traffic Weight Control has used drone for their construction surveying. They actually use a very highly accurate RTK drone. They start from establishing the ground control point, and then they do the flight planning. And these are the pictures that automatically obtained from drone. The picture has very high resolution. I think one picture is about 3 by 3 centimeters in the real world. They also get the elevation data from drone using aerial time dilation technique. These are the point cloud. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but we get the elevation point cloud from drone. And from the elevation point cloud, you can get you can derive a digital elevation model or a DEM. So DEM is a representation of the 3D surface of the area. And then you can actually put the picture from drone on the top of them. And then you're gonna get like a 3D surface area automatically. From that digital elevation model, you can actually derive a contour line. And from this contour line, you can automatically calculate the cut fill work of the construction very accurately. So drone is very useful for a very large area surveying, and the Department of Highway is very supportive of using drone because it can save a lot of work, it can save a lot of time, and you have like a visual evidence of the work from drone. So that's all the presentation I have today. I hope my presentation gives you some idea about the technology trend that has been going on in Thailand this day. And thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you.